Hey beauties, it's Daisy. If it's your first time here, and if not, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do some swatches and a little review on the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs. They just came out and I was so excited to get them. I love gloss bombs. Look at it. I already got these two. I have some more, but I always lose them. I need to do better about that. I don't lose them completely. I think they're in one of my purses, okay? I have all 5 colors here. I just went to Sephora. I already had to get me some new makeup, so I said, why not pick up some new gloss bombs, right? So first I'm gonna show you guys the glosses without lip liner, and then I'm gonna use my favorite lip liner with them so you can see a contrast, or however you like to style your lips, how it may look on you. Just so you know, I am serving Fenty Face. I just did a tutorial on this look. It's bomb. I really love Fenty Beauty. At first I was like, oh, it's just the hype because of Rihanna, and I actually do love her, but her products are really like growing on me, okay? So first we're gonna try Honey Waffles. This is one of my faves that I was interested in. Now let's see how it looks on me. So the first thing is, as far as the smell, it has a little bit of a scent. I can't pick up what it is, but it's not as strong as the other lip glosses that I noticed so far. Okay. Pigment is there. That's crazy. I was not expecting that. So this is so pretty. It's like a nice warm caramel color, as you can see here. It's giving me really juicy lips. I'm liking that. Let's read the description box and see if what they said is true. So it says luscious color, explosive shine, nourished, fuller looking lips. So they are not lying. My lips are looking really juicy, and the color is bomb. It has a lot of pigment. I actually have darker lips, so if your lips are lighter, then yeah, it's really gonna pop on you. My all-time favorite lip liner is Chestnut by MAC, okay, because it stays on all day. It is a little pricey. It's like $18, I think, but it's worth it. If you get high-end makeup, I'm pretty sure you will keep track of it more than, you know, if you got some drugstore, like, oh, it's over there in the closet somewhere or in my drawer. No, you are gonna know exactly where they are because you spent some money on it, okay? So let me stop talking and do this liner so y'all can see. Combo, this might be an everyday combo for me. Oh my gosh, super cute. Yes, I love it. Let me get closer. So Honey Waffles is definitely a keeper, especially with this chestnut. It's giving me life. Okay, shutting things down, period. Next color. Ooh, next we got fruit snacks. I'm loving these names. Honey Waffle, fruit snacks. Like, come on. Who's up in the PR department? They doing their thing, okay? So let's try this color. I love how it's like burgundy and it's kind of like a brown color. Let me do these swatches. Let me do the swatch of the Honey Waffles first. I forgot. So you guys can see the difference in the different gloss bombs, okay? So here we got Honey Waffles. And then we're gonna swatch fruit snacks next to it. Ooh, this pigment is crazy. This looks exactly like a straight matte lip when you put lip gloss on top. There's like no lip gloss I found that has that real bright pigment, and I think that changed today. What I love about this is this lip gloss is so creamy. The Cream brand is on point. They are not lying when they say that. And it just glides so nicely and smooth on your lips. And this one kind of has the same smell like that. I would think it would smell more like fruit snacks, but it doesn't. They probably had to focus on, you know, getting the pigment and everything together first. But I would have really liked if this smelled like fruit snacks. So if you want, you can put like another layer, but then you'll have like too much gloss. It's like really glossy right now. But this is so pretty. You definitely need like some subtle makeup or a really bright eye to wear the lip gloss. You can even wear it like every day. I think this will be like a pretty Christmas color or a nice fall like pop of color, glitter, you know. But I think it would look best with like a nice subtle look. Like that's why I did my makeup soft, so it can just match every lip gloss perfectly, because you don't want too much of a bold eye and then a crazy lip. Sometimes there's just a little too much, but sometimes it works though. But subtle looks always go best with a pop of color in your lip. All right, now let's try this one with some Chestnut Lip Liner. Now, sis, if you don't have MAC Chestnut Liner, I think you need to get it in your life, okay? It goes with every kind of lip shade. It doesn't matter what color you are. If you're light skin all the way to dark skin, it will match, trust me. If you don't have it, and if you don't believe me, comment down below. If you have it already, comment down below and let me know you have it, okay? Because I think just about every girl that I know that's really into makeup has MAC liner, because there's nothing like it. If they don't have MAC liner, they have NYX liner. NYX liner is official, but nothing like MAC, I'm telling you. All right, so we're gonna get into our next color. We have Mauve Wives now. It is this pretty pink kind of violet color. Let's see how this looks. Okay, first I'm gonna swatch it again, of course. It is darker than I thought. It looks like it's a little brighter in the packaging, but it seems a little bit darker on my skin. You can see here. So let's see how it looks on the lips. Fenty. Yo, this color is giving me life right now. Doesn't have a smell really. This pigment is crazy. They did not come to play. They did not come to play today. Sis, what can I say except this is amazing. This is amazing, for real. No lie. They're not even paying me for this. They should. But for real, I would spend my last dollar. I don't even care, like, maybe not my last dollar, but I do not mind spending a couple of dollars on a good product. Trust me, my grandmother always told me, since I started wearing makeup when I was like 14, I only wore like eyeshadow and lip gloss, and she always said, you should spend money on quality products that you put on your face. You should not mess with your face. And I think that's why my skin is so clear. Like from 14, I was in Macy's buying Origins. That's the brand I wore, Origins. I tried a little bit of MAC, but the foundation for MAC really like does not work with skin from what I'm told and from what I experienced. But concealers, yes, and lip liner, of course. But yo, spend some money on some high quality products. You'll see the difference. Some drugstore makeup products are amazing. Like there's some good ones out there like NYX, but NYX, what are these? These butter glossers. I have these. The pigment is nothing like Fenty Beauty at all. Like half of the pigment, yes, and it's half of the dollar. And they got like the little, I noticed because I have tried it myself, they have like the little payment plans or whatever. I thought it was like BS, but you pay like, you can get something for $100 and pay $20 every 2 weeks, and there you go. So let me stop talking and get into this liner. So one thing I love about lip liner with any color, it just gives your lips that nice contoured look, you know, more juicy in the middle and more pout, you know? So I bought these products from Sephora, and what I love about them is if you don't like a product, even if you tried it on, you can bring it back. And I was like, if none of these colors work, I'm gonna bring them back. But I think they got all of my money for sure, because I'm not bringing any of these products back. Not any of the ones I tried so far. So let's see the next one and see, you know, but I doubt it because this pigment is off the chain. Now it's time for Fenty Glow. Let's swatch it. Here's how it's looking. It's a little bit brighter than the Mauve Wives. And it has like a little pinky strawberry kind of color. That's what I'm getting. This one doesn't have, it has a little bit stronger smell, but I really can't tell you guys what it smells like. I'm really trying. It doesn't smell bad. Of course it smells good, but it doesn't have a strong smell. Fenty Glow is giving me more of everyday vibes. Like if you don't have a lot of makeup on, you just want a little pop of color, this is the lip color to get, I think. Yeah. So it's cute. It's cute. It's not giving me very bright pigment. I really think it's my lips. Like if somebody has pinker lips, I think it would show up more. But I do like this. Next. Last but not least, I am excited about this one too. It is Cookie Jar. Girl. So let's swatch this one. I accidentally wiped off the other swatches, so please forgive me. It's a habit because sometimes I put foundation on my hand and then I would like mess up my outfit if I just like rubbing my leg or something, and I just made it a habit to wipe my makeup off my hand. But yeah, this is a swatch. I like it's giving me like more chocolatey vibes. Yeah. I love a good chocolate color. Chocolate is just that color, especially in the season, like brown, eyeshadow, brown, everything is just, brown is that color for the fall 2020. Trust and believe. Yeah. This might be my fave. This color by itself is everything, shutting everything down. I get excited, yo, when I get some good makeup, especially when I know my coins were well spent. Yes, yes, yes. This color is just made my day. I don't know. There's nothing I can say except it's bomb. And Chestnut is just about to bring that shape back into this lip. And there you have it. Amazing glitter, unicorns, everything. Fenty Beauty did their thing. I love me some Riri. And when she comes through, that just makes me even more happy. Because you know, sometimes you may like your favorite celebrity or whatever. I'm not really big on celebrities, but Rihanna, I always loved her back from when I was in high school. She just did everything for me. But to have her just be everything that she is, and to bring us quality products, not just like some little dupes just because it has her name on it, she knows people are going to buy it. She actually takes her time, or her team, whoever, really puts thought and effort into their formulas and make sure that the pigment is there. They try it on every skin color, not just on lighter lips, darker lips. Like, these colors will show up no matter what shade you are, okay? And they will look fly, I'm pretty sure. And there you have it. Here are all the shades. I hope you guys enjoy these swatches and, you know, these lip colors on me. Tell me what is your favorite in the comment section below. I would like to know. And also let me know if you are willing to spend your coins on these lip glosses, okay? I spent over $100. I really spent like $2 something at Sephora, and I just bought a whole bunch of makeup on Black Friday. I bought Juvia's Place. I'm gonna do a tutorial on that. I bought all new Fenty products because I was running out. And what else? I bought some little things here and there, but you know, I've been coming through with the makeup. I really need to slow down, but who does not love good makeup products? Like, who does not like to look beady? Why? Why not? I like to look cute. So, you know, gotta spend your money, but I think it's well worth it, okay? Trust me. So again, tell me your favorites. I think my favorite, of course, is this one. What was this called again? I can't remember the names like that. That's horrible, but it was hot. Cookie Jar. keep your hands out the cookie jar. And I really like this mauve. This one really surprised me. I wasn't thinking I was gonna really like this one as much. And my least favorite is the Fenty Glow. Which one is that? Yeah, Fenty Glow. It's cute, but it's kind of basic. I like the other colors because they stand out. It's like nothing on the market. This, you can't compare. Can't compare at all. At all, sis. So I want to thank Fenty Beauty for coming out, you know, with these bomb glosses. And I want to apologize to my pocketbook for spending this money. So they will be in good use, and I'm going to keep them secure. And then one has to go in the purse because I always have to have the gloss handy. Of course. So I want to thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Till my next video. Bye.